So, mabuti nilang mayroong isang Indonesian na nag-take ng picture sa akin. Diba? Kung bukas lang sana, very nice community.
On the top.
So guys, nag-stop over kami dito sa, hindi ko alam mo anong tawag dito. Basta anyway, sa mga barn houses, barn binium, I think ang tawag dito. So we're just gonna go ahead and then follow the crowd over there. Here at the Vermont Country Store. So nice. It's so nice. They have like a lot of candies and like what is it? This is pretty impressive. I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. It's so nice. Okay, so meron silang maple syrup. Wow. Wow. Like parang yung mga, I think, old. Wow. It's so nice. And it's so big. Grocery stores. It's so nice. Tapos meron na silang Christmas shops here. Wow. We're here in Plymouth, Vermont. So ito yung birthplace ni yung president nila, si Coolidge. Tapos ang liit lang ng village. Tapos hindi mo makakalain na taga dito magiging president of the United States. Diba? Sa loob, parang cheese factory.
You just want one?
Well, we can get you.
You wanted a black one or orange one?
Shopping galore yung mga kasama ko. Wala kasing refrigerator din, so kailangan i-refrigerate itong mga cheese na to. So hindi na lang ako bumili, pero taste really good. And hanapin ko na lang yung website nila. So guys, we're here in Woodstock in Vermont. So ang hirap-hirap isipin na this state is US kasi ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Feeling ko nasa Europe siya, ibang-iba siya. So Massachusetts iba yon, parang nasa US ka pa rin nun. Even Rhode Island, even Connecticut. But here, it's a different vibe here talaga. Guys, I was really impressed dun sa mga shops nila. Everything. Kaya lang masyadong mahal para sa akin. Masyadong overpriced. And tingin-tingin lang tayo dito sa mga shops. And then, let's see kung may magustuhan tayo. Hi guys, meron tayong libreng pakain. Yan. Courtesy of Dartmouth University here in New Hampshire. Haba ng pila.
Yes.
So itong buong New Hampshire, parang ito yung pinaka-school niya, pero subukan natin pumunta mamaya kasi baka merong shop. Hello, good morning guys and welcome to New Hampshire. So, we're here sa, hindi ko alam kung anong lodge to. Gromar yata, pero overnight lang kami dito. So, hinihintay ko yung dinner namin. I think it's gonna be at 6 o'clock. And, yeah, so, ang aming view. So, hintayin ko na lang yung sunset. Maghihintay kami ng sunset dito. And ang dami-dami nilang mga ano to, mga parang park, para yata sa mga tourists and all that. And then yeah, so So I'll see you later. So guys, today is September 16. We are in Portland, Maine. And magko-cruise. Parang boat cruise lang. Tapos siguro kakain ng lobster.
To come on another boat. There you go. Well, you know, if you got a few minutes, you can take a ferry out to the island too. I mean, why not go for a trifecta here, you know? Right around the corner. But he asked me why I'm still dressed like it's summertime, because it is still summer in Maine. But it's very light. The seaward side is very far from the land side. It's not uncommon during winter storms the waves will break through the top of that 90
Walking in the streets of Portland, Maine. Maghahanap kami ng oysters dito. Tapos meron din Starbucks.
And here is yours, my love.
Thank you so much.
So welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Okay, I gotta take a picture.
Amazing. We enjoying the lobster so far?
Yes.
I'll be right back with your salad.
I'll go for it.
Crystal Brothers is an IPA in substance. Baxter's is Summertime, Long Time Pale Ale. We have Blueberry, we have Jay's Lager. Those are all local. Allegheny White Citrus Leaves. Thanks very much. You have a great day. Having Jay's Lager.
Waka lang ako ng slab.
You want to try it first? Just
Hindi pa nga ako nabusog eh.
Gusto mo mag-dessert?
Lobster roll.
Lobster roll ice cream.
Here guys, walking in the streets of Portland, Maine. Ganda niya. Wow. Para ka nasa ibang bansa. So guys, nandito kami sa Maine. And we were gonna spend our night here. And dito kami kakain sa resort niyan at 6:30, but current time is only 4 o'clock. So we have time to roam around. So guys, walking around dito sa Ogunquit. Hi guys, so we're here in Ogunquit in Maine. Tapos nandito rin ang aming hotel. Dito kami nag-check in. So wala pa kasi yung dinner namin. Ano na lang, chill and relax. Siguro mag-hangout kami sa beach after this. Pero ang gaganda kasi ng mga stores nila. So, check na lang natin.
Layo ng nalakad natin.
Morning guys, kagigising ko lang. So bali September 17 ngayon. So this is our very last day from Maine, Ogunquit, Maine. We're driving to Boston. So ang flight namin is 4 o'clock pa. So ngayon magbe-breakfast lang ako, tapos titingnan ko lang yung sunrise kasi parang ang ganda. So this is the view of the sunrise. So, dito kami sa downtown Boston lang. Napasok na namin yung market na yan. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Pero tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda, gaano kalinis ang Boston. Very nice.